In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your Spotify profile name. So if you like to have a new name on your Spotify profile, let me show you how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking it and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to access your profile, and you can identify your profile by your profile picture on the top left corner here. So if I go ahead and tap on it, now you'll be able to see your profile name, and under it we have view profile. So to change your name, just go ahead and tap on this view profile here, and under it go ahead and tap on edit. Now from here you can see your name here. If you go ahead and tap on your name, you can highlight it and then now write the name that you so wish. And once you are done, go ahead and tap on save, and that will go ahead and save the changes and then effect the changes immediately. And now you can see my profile name has changed. So that's how you change your profile name on Spotify. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.